capturing a moment in time, exactly as you experienced it, in true, natural 3D sound. Truly capturing the audio, perspective, and feel of the moment in which you were living. From the busy hustle and bustle of everyday life to those more serene moments. Hi, I'm Nick from Quick Tech, and these are the SCENES Lifelike 3D Binaural Sound Recording Earbuds. Now before we get started, make sure to grab a high-quality pair of headphones or earbuds to truly experience 3D sound on a budget. So before we get to the unboxing, what is binaural audio? Well, we use our two ears to process information and hear a natural 3D. We don't give it much thought, but when you hear a sound, the sound waves actually arrive at your two ears at different times and at different volume levels. This fraction of a second and volume difference helps our brains place where the original sound may have actually been coming from. Binaural audio records sound in a way that mimics our natural hearing, and typically involves using two omnidirectional microphones placed roughly a head-sized distance apart. When played back on headphones, the recording actually tricks our brain into thinking we're hearing the sound in real time.
It's been over 10 years.
Now, rather than needing an expensive studio setup, the SCENES Lifelike earbuds have microphones built in directly on each side. Therefore, to record binaural audio, just simply plop them into your ears and hit record. So let's talk about what you get. Inside the box are two separate boxes, one containing the iPhone dongle and the other containing the earbuds. Now I will mention up front, at the time of this recording, the SCENES earbuds are only compatible with Lightning iOS devices. The earbuds also come with 3 pairs of ear tips, so you can get a comfortable fit while recording around town, and also a carrying case. On the side of the earbuds are the 2 built-in omnidirectional microphones for audio capture, and at the end of the cable is a micro USB connector, whose only purpose is to connect to the Apple dongle. Again, sorry, no Android compatibility at the moment. Now the earbuds are also able to play back your recordings, or any other sounds or music for that matter. However, the obvious real highlight of these is the recording feature. That said, it does come with an inline remote for volume and playback controls. From there, all you really need to do is plug the earbuds into your iPhone and pop open either the Voice Memos app or start taking videos. No additional app is required. That said, the earbuds do come with an associated app, however its really only purpose is to upgrade firmware, and my earbuds were already up to date. So here are a few recordings I took throughout the summer, and again, make sure you have your headphones in so you can truly experience the 3D sound that you get on a budget with these lifelike earbuds.
53rd Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is a World Trade Center bound speed train. The next stop is
So switching over to the SCENES Lifelike VR earbuds, right away you can tell that the audio sounds a bit different. It should sound a bit more natural. And for all you ASMR fans, you can do some really cool, dare I say, creepy things. Check this out. So for instance, as I'm walking to this side, the audio should sound a bit different and borderline creepy. And let's see what happens when I come over to this side and start whispering sweet nothings into this ear. Pretty creepy. And how about when I'm over here? Pretty weird, right? So that about wraps this one up. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well, because that would really mean the world to me. And I'll have the product link down below in the description if you want to check those out. And do you hear those cicada bugs in your left ear? I sure do. If you have any questions about the earbuds, drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. And what do you guys think? Are these cool or are they a gimmick? Let me know. We'll see you in the next one.